Dogs bring joy to our lives. Their love is unconditional. Their playful nature makes us smile. Owning a dog is a wonderful experience, but it's important to remember that dogs need our care and attention. They rely on us for their well-being. Think of your dog like your best friend, but furrier. Just like us, they need the right things to thrive. This guide will help you be the best dog parent you can be. From playtime to vet visits, we'll cover it all. Remember, a happy dog is a healthy dog. By following these tips and tricks, you can ensure your furry friend lives a long, healthy, and fulfilling life. Let's embark on this journey together. Just like us, dogs need exercise to stay fit and healthy. Daily walks are essential for their physical and mental well-being. Imagine being stuck inside all day. That's what it's like for a dog without enough exercise. A simple 30-minute walk can do wonders. It helps them burn off energy, maintain a healthy weight, and keeps their joints flexible. Plus, it's a great bonding experience for you and your furry pal. If your dog has a lot of energy, consider more vigorous exercise. Playing fetch, frisbee, or even agility training can be fantastic options. Remember to adjust the intensity and duration of exercise based on your dog's breed, age, and health condition. A healthy diet is just as important for dogs as it is for humans. Your dog's nutritional needs depend on its breed, age, size, and activity level. It's crucial to choose a high-quality dog food that meets these needs. Always check the ingredient list and look for food with real meat or meat meal as the first ingredient. Avoid foods with artificial colors, flavors, and preservatives. Feeding your dog on a schedule helps them maintain a healthy weight and avoids overeating. Remember to provide fresh, clean water at all times. Water is essential for their bodily functions and helps them stay hydrated, especially during playtime or walks. If you're unsure about the right diet for your dog, consult your veterinarian for personalized recommendations. Section 4. A visit to the vet keeps the woofs away. Regular veterinary checkups are vital for your dog's health. Just like humans have annual physicals, dogs need regular checkups to catch potential health issues early on. During these visits, the vet will examine your dog, administer necessary vaccinations, and address any concerns you may have. Early detection is key to preventing serious health problems down the line. Your vet can also recommend flea and tick prevention, heartworm medication, and other preventive measures to keep your furry friend healthy. Remember, your vet is your partner in your dog's healthcare. Don't hesitate to ask questions, raise concerns, and seek advice on any aspect of your dog's well-being. Regular vet visits are an investment in your furry friend's happy and healthy life. Section 5. Smart cookies and social butterflies. Dogs are intelligent animals that thrive on mental stimulation and social interaction. Just like their bodies need exercise, their minds need workouts too. Puzzle toys, interactive games, and training sessions are great ways to keep them mentally stimulated. Teaching your dog new tricks or commands not only challenges their minds, but also strengthens your bond. Socialization is equally important for their emotional well-being. Taking them to dog parks, arranging play dates with other dogs, or simply exposing them to different environments can help them develop social skills and confidence. Remember, a bored dog can become destructive or anxious. By providing ample opportunities for mental and social enrichment, you can ensure your dog lives a happy and well-adjusted life. Section 6. A positive promise for a positive life. Owning a dog is a rewarding experience, but it's also a big responsibility. By following these tips and tricks, you can provide your furry friend with the best possible care. Remember that a happy and healthy dog is a reflection of a loving and responsible owner. From daily exercise and a balanced diet to regular vet checkups and mental stimulation, every aspect of dog care contributes to their overall well-being. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome tips and tricks on how to keep your furry friend happy and healthy.